Hello all, welcome to GK's Career Updates. Today's session will be dealing with higher studies, talking about CAT 2021 for admission to management PG programs. The Indian Institute of Management will conduct a computer-based common admission test CAT 2021, which is a prerequisite for admission to various PG and fellow doctorate programs in top-level institutes like IIMs. IIM Ahmedabad will be the organizer of IIM CAT 2021, and the CAT score is used for screening for admission to its management PG programs like MBA. The CAT scores can also be allowed to be used for non-IIM member institutes, and IIM have no role in the selection process. The IIM will conduct CAT 2021 exam on November 28 in 3 sessions. There are 20 IIMs in India, which include Kozhikode in Kerala, Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Bodh Gaya, Calcutta, Indore, Jammu, Kashipur, Lucknow, Nagpur, Raipur, Ranchi, Rohtak, Sambalpur, Shillong, Sirmaur, Tiruchirappalli, Udaipur and Visakhapatnam. The eligibility required is bachelor's degree in any discipline with at least 50% or equivalent CGPA for general candidates and 45% for SC, ST, PWD candidates. Those appearing for final degree exams and awaiting for results can also apply. The registration fee is Rs 2,200 for general candidates and Rs 1,100 for SC, ST and PWD candidates. The registration opens on August 4th, 2021 at 10 am and the registration deadline is on September 15, 2021 at 5 pm. The test will be conducted on November 28, 2021 and the test will be conducted at 158 centers across the country including Kerala, and students will be given the option to select 6 test centers in order of their preference. And the students are required to have valid and unique email ID and mobile number throughout the selection process. And the test results is to be announced on 2nd week of January 2022. For more details, visit the site given in the description. For more updates, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you all. Have a great day.